Hi cubers, in this short I'm going to be teaching you this simple ZBLL. This is how ZBLL case looks, and it's basically R prime with your normal Y permutation, then R. Let's try it again. R prime, Y permutation, R. It's a really amazing ZBLL case. You can transfer it by a heavy block here, then another line, then this and this match. So let's try that. This is very effective because instead of doing what TIFA would normally tell you, that's this, then a J perm, you would just do this, then this, then your R prime. Really amazing ZBLL. Catch you guys in the next one. Subscribe.